Hello folks, John Price here at E.C.D Automotive Design in Kissimmee, Florida. E.C.D offers 4 trim levels across our complete lineup of D90, D110, and D130. Each one of them, of course, offers a certain level of customization and personalization to make it a unique blend of its own. Now, each one of them offers a different blend of heritage, performance, and customization. Now, the ECD Classic Defender, for instance, is a faithful homage to the original Land Rover Defender. In this particular trim level, will restore the vehicles to their iconic character while enhancing some of the mechanical components to make it more reliable and easier to use. This is ideal for clients looking for authenticity with some modern touches. Now, ECD Custom Defender is definitely our most client-driven trim. It allows full flexibility for clients to take the vehicle in whichever direction they prefer, whether it's enhancing technology, powertrains, safety, comforts, and of course, gives them the ability to plaster all of their ideas together, of course, to materialize their vision. In short, this combines a bespoke design experience and a true one-of-one design. This is certainly the best option for those folks that want to have full creative freedom and performance tailored to their lifestyle. Now, our signature Defender truly represents our highest level of craftsmanship and exclusivity. It includes premium curated design features, high quality materials, and high performance packages exclusive to the signature model. It's essentially fully engineered luxury tailored to our clients' specifications. This is fully engineered luxury with a curated aesthetic, and ECD's true pinnacle of the Defender. And this is tailored for those folks seeking for the most artfully designed, sophisticated, and modern Defender in our lineup. And then we go to our electric Defender, which is powered by ECD's proprietary EV powertrain. It provides the best of both worlds, a modern performance as well as classic looks. They also provide a quiet, smooth, and zero emissions driving experience while preserving the heritage look of a Defender. And of course, with the instant torque the EV platform provides, as well as smooth acceleration, not only provides a refined drive, but also incredible performance. Perfect, of course, for eco-friendly clients that still want to retain that classic look of a Defender. Now, as I mentioned earlier, all these wonderful trim levels are available throughout our entire Defender lineup, D90, D110, and 130. So please, if you have any questions or would like to find out more about our amazing Defender builds, please feel free to call us, or if you'd like to have a design consultation with myself, happy to help with that as well. I'm sure that whatever your lifestyle may be and whatever your preference you may find in one of these Defenders, we can certainly find the right one for you.